Now I'm going to show an example of one of the dynamic reports, the Emergency Preparedness Population Planning tool. This tool is designed to facilitate planning and improve readiness for all community members during emergencies. It enables local and regional emergency planning that is inclusive of at-risk residents. You can navigate to this tool from the Planning and Tools drop-down menu. This takes you directly to a landing page that contains background information about the tool along with the list of geography types to run the report. In this example, let's run the report for community by census tract for Lynn. The report starts off by displaying demographic information for Lynn, like population percentages by age, race, and ethnicity. There is information on the percent of households above and below the poverty level, the percent of the population that speaks different languages, and the percent of the population with less than or more than a 9th grade education. This report also contains data on certain population characteristics, like the percent of the population that are over 65 years of age and living alone, the percent of the population without a vehicle, the percent of the population with one disability or two or more disabilities, and the percent of the population living in households where no English is spoken. This report also contains information on the population with certain types of disabilities. You can also view this information on an interactive map. For example, you can add the map layer of the percent of population over 65 years of age and living alone. The dark yellow highlights areas with higher populations of individuals over 65 and living alone. You can also look at the percent of the population with no vehicle. Highest percentages are represented in yellow. You can also add other layers like the FEMA National Flood Hazard layer to identify areas of high flooding risk. Purple shows high-risk coastal areas, and blue and green areas are flood hazard areas. By combining demographic data with interactive maps, this tool can help inform emergency preparedness strategies that prioritize at-risk populations.